Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today I'm going to turn a bunch of fresh asparagus, 3 bunches actually, into asparagus pickles. Fermenting your asparagus instead of quick pickling them allows intense savoriness to develop and kind of a slow tanginess to build. They're so delicious and great as a side or on a cheese board. And for these pickles, we like using the whole spear, or as much as we can. So instead of chopping it into pieces, you're going to cut off the top 4 inches of the asparagus so they can be full spears. Don't discard the rest of it, just the woody end bit, and the in-between part you can use in omelets or frittata. They're great. For this recipe, we add garlic, red chili flakes, and some lemon peel to preserve some of that fresh asparagus flavor. But after fermenting, the flavor is going to be more like a cooked asparagus than a fresh one, so that lemon adds a nice little zing. And if you're new to this channel, you'll definitely want to subscribe and hit that bell so you get alerts. We come out with new fermentation recipes all the time that you won't want to miss. Now let's get started making these asparagus pickles. For this recipe, you'll need 2 to 3 pounds of fresh asparagus, 2 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced, 1 lemon, just the peel, and a teaspoon of red chili flakes. For your asparagus, you're going to just want the top 4-inch tip. Now let's get these spears in. If you're packing in a lot of them, this might be easier to do with the jar on its side. Tuck them all in there. Now add some of your sliced garlic. Add your red chili flakes. Now tuck in some of that lemon peel to add a little bit of freshness. Top with your fermentation weight. Then pour in your brine. This brine is 2 tablespoons of kosher salt and 1 quart of water. Fill it up. You want your asparagus to be fully submerged underneath the brine when weighted. Perfect. Now add your lid and your airlock and ferment away. After 5 to 7 days, your asparagus is done fermenting, ready to eat, and should be stored in the fridge. If garlic and chili flakes aren't your favorite, this recipe would also be great with thyme and lemon peel. Again, I'm Erica from FarmSteady. Thanks so much for tuning in, and check out farmsteady.com for all our recipes and great fermentation kits.